Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing this like festive pink look with a pink lips and a pink winged liner. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. So I'm starting with my concealer and I'm using Fit Me in the shade 20. And I'm blending it with Real Techniques complexion sponge. And of course I'll blend a bit on my lids. Now I'll set all of this with this Dišiperica moj mali. Now I'll set my face with Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. I'm going on my face. No, now I'm going on my eyes and I'll use a big blending brush and this shade as my transition. And I won't go too much with the eyes, you'll see why. Now I'm taking this Avon quad and a bit smaller brush and I think I'll use this shade, it's number 3. And I did a review about this, so I'll leave a link so you can watch it. And now I'll use this Essence Metal Art Lip and Eyeliner. It's a lip liner also, I didn't know that. Huh, cool. It's like this pinky shade, but it has a bit of a shimmer in it. Now I'll take this Essence Beauty eyeliner. Now I'll take my highlighter, this Mary Lou from the Balm. I'm contouring a bit with this contour shade from BH Bronze Paradise palette and with an angle brush. Today's blush is Pearlescent Pink from Wet n Wild. Now I'll finish my eyes with this mascara. It's Avon True Ultra Volume Lash Magnify Mascara. What a name! And now fun part, I'm using this Revolution Worth It lip liner. It's like some purpley shade with shimmer also. For lipstick I'm using this one Avon Mark, it's in the shade Sparkle. I did a review on lots of Avon things, so I'll leave a link for that video. I'm honestly in love with this shade. It's like pink with small glitters in it. It's mostly actually pink glitter, but I think it has a bit of a gold and a silver. And it's, I don't know, it's beautiful. And that's it, guys. This is my like festive summery look with not much face makeup, just a bit of a bronzer and a highlighter and like some fun winged liner and fun this lipstick. So if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with friends, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!